Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my favorite face brushes. So if you want to hear what my favorite face brushes are, then keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with concealer because normally when I prime, I just use my hands. So this has been one of my favorite concealer brushes lately. I've been using it a lot the past couple of months to do my concealer. And this is a Sonia Kashuk brush. This is really meant for eyeshadow. It is really fluffy, but I really like it because it really gets underneath your eye. And it's really good for carving out your brows because it really can get into those small spaces. So that's honestly just why I like it. Next up, I'm going to talk about my favorite foundation brush. I have not used a foundation brush in forever, ever since I started using sponges. But if I was to ever use a brush, I would use this one. This is the Real Techniques stippling brush. I like this one way better than the Wet n Wild one. I have the Wet n Wild one also, but this one is just fluffier. I feel like the Wet n Wild one is too dense. This one just makes your foundation look really nice and gives it like a really nice finish. Now I don't really powder my face and I never really had a favorite brush, so I'm just gonna move on to bronzing / contour, which I have two brushes for that, and it is these two. This is a Real Techniques multitask brush. I like this one. This is what I used today to do my bronzer because I don't really like contour that much, but this one really just goes nicely and it gives you a nice contour, I feel like. And this one, this is a Sonia Kashuk brush. I don't know what it's exactly called. If I can find the name, I'll put it here on the screen. But this just gives such a nice look, a nice natural glow to your skin when you bronze. It just gives that nice, what is the word I'm looking for? Just nice like sun-kissed look, but it looks nice and natural. And this is my favorite for the nose because it just will, your nose can fit perfectly inside this brush and it will just contour your nose just straight down the middle, which I just love, and it makes it look nice and straight and perfect, which I need because my nose goes to, I think it points to like the left. Next up is my favorite highlighting brush, and this is just an e.l.f. blush brush. This, I like that it has the point, like it's tapered. I don't know why I should do it that way. It's tapered. So I feel like it really can get you that nice highlight. This is what I used today to apply PINCHme with from the Dose of Colors and Desi X Katie collection. I just think it's perfect, and I like that it's tapered because like when I contour my nose, it just gets that like nice straight line, or when I do my cupid's bow, again, nice straight line, and then when I'm doing my chin, I can just go like that, or my forehead, I can just go like that. So this is a really good brush I like for highlight. And then next up is blush, and this is just a BH Cosmetics blush brush, I think. I try not to include a lot of BH brushes because they don't have names, and the set that I have, I don't think you can purchase anymore. But this is just my favorite blush brush. I feel like it doesn't make your blush look too harsh. I feel like it gives it just a nice natural look. It's not too big like this one. I just feel like it's too big, and then when I put it on my face, when I use this one, I look like a clown. This one, I feel like it just looks so nice and natural. And those were my favorite face brushes. I will be doing a favorite eye brush too. That'll be up next. I'm going to film that next. I just didn't want to combine them and, you know, make the video too long. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your suggestions. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.